Good morning and welcome students. Here is Priyanka Roy, your geography teacher, and today we will discuss about the tertiary and quaternary activities from your 12th geography book. And today we will have the second class of this chapter. Today we will discuss about how much people are engaged in the tertiary activities. Tertiary activities, we are notice that we are already know that the tertiary activities are engaged with the services. Today most of the people are services and provided in all societies, but in more developed countries the higher percentage of workers is employed in the providing services as compared as less developed countries like the teaching service, nursing, doctoring and other services activities. Here the most valuable or most important tertiary activities is tourism. Tourism is a travel undertaken for the purposes of recreation rather than the business, and it has become the world's single largest tertiary activity in the total registered jobs. So here it is, tourists are dependent on some factors like the climate, landscape, historical and art, and culture and economy. Some types of climate like the Mediterranean climate or cool climate in Europe like Germany and the other places of India are attracted the tourists, and the landscape like the mountain plateau type of landscape are attracted the tourist, and historical parts like the history and the art often have potential attractiveness, and the culture this attract the tourism with the penchant of the experiencing the ethnic and local customs. Besides, the region provides for the needs of the tourist as a cheap cost. Sometimes tourism sometimes medical facilities are also the factor of tourism like India, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia. There are many people are migrant in here in these places for the treatment or for the medical facility. That's called the medical tourism. Last of all, the quaternary activities, which is related to the higher levels of works like the RSGIS, satellite imaging, or such type of jobs like the researching or information technology are engaged with the quaternary activities. Here the quaternary sector along with the tertiary sector has replaced most of the primary and the secondary employment as the basis for the economic growth. Last type of activities like the quaternary activities are services that focus on the creation and rearrangement and the interpretation of the new and existing ideas like data interpretation and use of the evolution of the new technologies. Like the gold collar activities are engaged with the quaternary activity. Like the e-learning activities are engaged with these activities that we have right now. So I think so my knowledge will help you to understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.